sometimes something really special makes it on my table, and this is one of those things. It's made by a company called AUFA, ATV UTV phone holder. This is one of the toughest, roughest mother effer I've seen in my life. So this is absolutely insane. It's all some kind of like a cast aluminum, and then the phone slides in here, right? It has this adjustable things on the side with bolts. So they're specifically designed you don't lose your phone. It fits multiple phones because it's expandable. So it fits multiple sizes phones, which is pretty cool. And it has this big claw here on top that will allow you to put your phone in there and secure it. It comes with these Allen wrenches that you could just tighten it, and then this big massive clamp to hold on to some kind of like a rollover cage. And if you want to hold on to your phone or something like that, this is definitely the device that will do so. I think you could hang on it and it will not break. There'll be a lot of G's that this one can withhold. And the assembly is pretty easy. Just this is little bolt over here, and you just take it apart. So it just comes apart into little pieces, and then you want to put it back together. You just clamp it in, crank this thing up, and you're good to go. It comes in a box with Allen wrenches to adjust these bolts on the side. And then it comes with a big Allen wrench here for the bolt in the back. So yeah, as I said, pretty tough device. AUFA phone holder.